Hey. To gain respect is something that is the most powerful thing. Everyone wants to have respect in his or her society. One thing that I would like to tell you, what can make people respect you a lot? If anything, nothing gains respect.
Yes!
Money gains more respect. That is why everyone wants to be rich. In this video, I want to teach you 3 things in which that will make you successful. What do you think? It will make someone listening to Jack Ma, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, or Brigade, hey, waste him or her time to sit down and listen to these people? What do you think? In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that make the rich people be the rich people, and 3 things that the middle class don't know, say as the poor people don't know. What do you think will be these 3 things I'm talking about? The first thing is, consistency. Any rich person have this kind of mentality to be consistency in whatever he or she is doing. You know, to be consistency will really generate you a lot of income. Why am I saying that? Because we think of we need to start a day and get a result a day. No, rich people don't think of that. That's why rich people always consistency. They know that if you start today, it is not must for you to get the result today. So every rich person think of results doesn't come today, but the results will come future. So the rich people have the mentality of they don't tell people their plans, but they really tell people their result. So any rich person will never come out to tell you that this and this and this are the things that I'm doing for now, but they will really come out and tell you the product or the result of what they did. I hope you understand. The second thing is the complaint solver. Rich people know how to solve complaint. According to Jack Ma, he says something that anyone who know how to solve complaint is a rich person. Hey, you can succeed in life. Anyone who know how to solve complaint becomes successful in whatever he or she is doing. So to solve more complaint will pop up, whereby your complaint, the complaint that you're solving it will generate a lot of money. So if you find a community whereby many people are complaining about something, then it means we have a great successful income there. I hope you understand. So if you can solve one of that complaint, then it makes you become the rich person within that environment because you know how to solve complaint. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget, hit on the notification bell and also subscribe once again if you have not subscribed yet. Please, you see the shirt that is, it's called Pokuya Nidado Herbal Mixture. Pokuya Nidado Herbal Mixture. It's a clinic found in Bono East region. You just call their number under the screen and they will take good care of you. They have a lot of medicine. One is Pokuya Nidado Herbal Mixture. Thank you for watching. So we are continuing by telling you the third thing that is to be optimistic. Hey, what's the meaning of optimistic? Any optimistic person doesn't think of today but think of tomorrow, what is about to happen. Hey, they know that what they are doing, the result of tomorrow will be more huge than today. So every optimistic person become a rich. So the rich people have the spirit of optimistic within. So they know how to solve optimistic and to become an optimistic. So they do things with an optimistic ideas. Hey. So that's why every rich person have this kind of mentality that in years to come, something like this will be needful. So I need to put it on board. Hey, that's why rich people are still rich people and the poor people will still remain the poor people. How can you be like them? Just watch the next video from me, subscribe to the channel, and you're going to find the next video. So This is Adidado Herbal capsules, and also the same capsules, different capsules here. This is an asthmatic patient's their capsules, and this one also is Adidado Herbal capsules. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and put me on notification post. Wait for the next video from me, and the next video is going to talk about how can you be a rich person. Hey, yes, watch the video. The next video is so awesome. For what? Please subscribe.